Mr. West. I am Troy Knight. I'm a quality control manager here at Foundation Repair of California. I understand that you may have some concerns with myself and crew members getting started on your project due to COVID, fires, and compromised health within the family. In front of me and to the right of me, I have a list of products that we will be utilizing on your property to make sure that you're comfortable, safe, and everybody is just safe through the whole project. To the right of me, I have this plastic. This will create a barrier from the entrance of your home to the crawl space. This is to make sure that crew members don't come in no contact with furniture, doors, family members, or anything inside of the home. We have the air scrubbers. These are what are used at hospitals. They kill infectious germs that are in the air. We'll have 2 of these at your property at all times. Crawl suits and booties. These will be utilized by crew members every time they enter your residence. Rubber gloves will be worn underneath their work gloves as added protection, just to make sure that we're not coming in contact with anything within the home. Hand sanitizer. Crew members will be required to use this each time before they put on their gloves, just to make sure that we're going that extra mile to be safe. We have disinfectant wipes that we will use at the end of the day to wipe down any surfaces or doorknobs that we have come in contact with. Masks. Crew members and myself will be required to wear this at all times while on your property to make sure that we are not spreading no sicknesses or germs. We also will have a porta potty and a hand wash station that will be delivered on site, and it will be placed outside of your property. It will be there through the whole project to make sure that we have somewhere to use the restroom and make sure crew members are washing their hands thoroughly before any time entering the home. I hope that these products and the things that I have showed you can put you at ease and make you feel comfortable with moving forward with the project. Feel free to reach me at any time. My number is 510-302-5595, or you can reach me at the office here between 7 and 8. I hope to see you soon to properly meet you in person. And if you have any other concerns, feel free to reach out to me, or any questions at all, reach me at any time at any one of those numbers. Thank you. Have a good day.